Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you all my weekly skin pampering routine. So guys, I generally pamper my skin at weekends, that is on Sundays. But if due to any reason I don't get time on Sundays, then I make sure that I'm doing it at least in any day of the week. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So, guys, my skin pampering routine, that is weekly skin pampering routine, involves three steps. The first step is cleansing, the second step is scrubbing, and the third and the last step is applying a face mask. So, yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the steps. So, guys, the first steps comes which is cleansing. So, for cleansing my face, I use a face wash which is from the Mom's Co. I'll show you. This is the face wash that I use to clean my face. It is the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich face wash with vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic acid. So I have started using this face wash recently and I have really liked the results of this face wash. So guys, I have already wet my face. Now I will be taking the face wash. I generally take two pumps of the face wash. So taking two pumps of it and then I massage it onto my face. So guys, I like this face wash a lot because it's really mild and it cleanses my skin really nicely without drying it. So I think this is one of the main reasons why I like this face wash because it does not dry out my skin. I also apply it on my neck. वैसे तो it generally foams a little more than it's foaming right now because I generously wet my face and then apply the face wash. But today, because I'm in front of the camera, so I couldn't use so much water. But if you use a little more water, then it will foam a lot. So it foams decently. So I've applied the face wash. Massage it onto your face for about 60 seconds, not more than that. That's enough. So, guys, I have washed my face, and after washing my face, my skin not only feels clean but it also feels very, very refreshed. So, I really like using this face wash, and it has also got a minty fragrance which just refreshes out your skin. So, it's a good face wash. So, now that our first step is over, let's move on to the next step, that is scrubbing. So for scrubbing, I use this scrub. It's this scrub. Let me show you first. Its packaging is also very nice. So this is a scrub from the Good Vibes. It's called Choco Coffee Glow Scrub. So it has no parabens and it's cruelty free. So that's why I like using this because it has got no harmful chemicals. Whereas both the brands, the face wash also which I used, this one also, these two are absolutely chemical free. So this is also one of the reasons why I purchased them. So yeah, moreover, let's quickly move on to scrubbing the face. So I just massage the scrub onto my face with light fingers. And also, I'd like to give one tip here, guys, that while doing any skincare, the product you are applying on your face, it has to be applied on the neck as well because neck is a part of your face. Now, I've seen many times people forgetting or ignoring their neck, but you should not do it because your neck is a part of your face as well. So always include your neck while doing your skincare. So while scrubbing, I focus mainly on T zone. Scrubbing is important because I think every one of you know it's important for removal of blackheads and it removes dead skin cells. So it results in a glowing skin. So scrubbing is very important. So after massaging onto my face, I will wash my face. So guys, I just love this step a lot because after completing this step, my skin starts glowing a lot. It feels baby soft. So I really will encourage you all to uh, go ahead for this weekly pampering routine. So now moving on to our third step, that is applying a face mask. So for face mask, I use this. Actually, I use a lot of face masks, but nowadays I'm using this from Aroma Magic. This is how it looks like. So it's the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Anti Pigmentation Glossy Pack. So it's an amazing face mask. It gives me instant results. Like whenever I apply this face mask and wash my face, I can see that instant result on my face. That's why I love using it. It just results in a glowy skin and a bit clearer skin. And I think I don't have serious acne issues, but it's meant for that also. So if someone has acne or pimples, then you can give it a try. So but it's overall it's a good face mask. So I'll just apply it on the face. So they don't provide a brush along with it. So that's why I'm using my hands, my fingers. So I just apply it in a very random order. Sometimes I start from somewhere else and वो खत्म कहीं और पे जाके होता है. So it's very random. मैं जहाँ मूड होता है मैं वहीं लगा लेती हूँ. So generally, the face masks are meant not to be applied under your eyes, but this one says that it's for light. It lightens blemishes and dark circles. So that's why I'm applying this one under my eyes. But generally, face masks should not be applied under your eyes because skin under your eyes is very sensitive. So avoid using face masks or scrubbing under your under eye skin because it might be dangerous sometimes. So guys, as you can see that I am done with applying the face mask. Now I'll be keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll wash it off. So guys, I've washed my face after 15 minutes and you can see that how glowing my skin is right now. So that's why I love this face mask because it gives me instant results. So yeah, we are done with the third and the final step also, that is applying a face mask. Now after this step, it's important to moisturize your skin. Now on general days, I use aloe vera gel for moisturizing my face, but today I'll be using this Himalaya baby cream, this one. So all of us are familiar with this cream. I think इसका ज़्यादा introduction देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So today I'll be using this cream because on the days like this when you are pampering your skin, you need to provide your skin with some little bit more extra nourishment. So I find this cream very nourishing for my skin. So that's why I'll be using this cream. So I use this cream only on the days when I'm pampering my skin. So yeah, let's apply the moisturizer. So I don't take too much of it. So I just dot it onto my face. I really like using baby products. मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील होता है and it somewhere gives me a mental satisfaction that my skin will also become like baby. I mean baby soft. I don't know कि ऐसा होता है कि नहीं. But yeah, baby products are always good because they are, harmful chemicals free. So someone with sensitive skin can always go for baby products blindly. So if you have sensitive skin, then so you should always use baby products only. They are budget friendly also, everywhere available. So this cream smells really, really nice. It smells good. And I also like using the Johnson's Baby, that pink one. Actually, I have tried both pink one and the milk one also. I haven't tried their new launch, Cotton Touch, but yeah, Cotton Touch. But uh, Johnson's products are also really nice and they also smell a lot. So, smell is one of the main reasons why I buy Johnson's Baby. But Himalaya Baby Cream is also good. So, I have nicely moisturized my face. My skin feels very smooth and soft. And last but not the least, don't forget to use a lip balm, because always complete your skincare with a lip balm. So I'll just apply this lip balm. It's the Nivea Watermelon Shine lip balm. So yeah, guys, as you can see that I've done my weekly skin pampering routine, and now you can also clearly see that how glowy and smooth my skin looks. So I encourage you all to go ahead and do this. Exactly, you can do it. Actually, you can, if you don't have time also, then also try to take out time. You can at least do it once in a week, so it will give you really good results, and you will start loving your skin even more. So please go for it. And yeah, guys, that is it. That was it for today's video. So if you liked it, then give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye, see you soon.